So I think I'm live. Hello everyone. So can you listen me? Are you getting my voice? Please tell me. I can see your chat. Hi Anjali, hi Priyanka, Chiranjeev, Manoj, Samukh, Sanskruti, Vishnu. Okay, so I hope you're getting my voice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. So now let's start the Python. I hope you are getting my voice clear. Okay, and I welcome you everyone for this session, 5-day session. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Present, share screen. Okay, I hope you can see my screen. Yes, please confirm. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So let me stop again, share it again. Share screen. And this entire screen number 1. Let me check screen is shared or not. So I think screen is shared. We can't see, sir. Okay. It is showing. I'm showing my screen. You are in the show. Everyone can see the screen. Okay, I think now it's done. So a little bit late. Okay, not working. I hope you can see my screen. So let's start today's session. I welcome you all for this session. So please stay with me for 1 hour at least. Okay. So we will learn a lot of things today, and you will get a lot of new things from this session. And I assert this thing: you will not get this thing on any YouTube channel. Okay, please stay with us. Okay. Yes. Okay, visible. Let me increase some light. Okay. Okay, let's start with Python. So I'm asking the question. I will ask some question to you, and I will see in the chat box. I can see your chat. I have this setup, 3 screen setup. Okay, so I can see your chat here. This is my screen, and this is my side screen. Okay. So first question is, what is Python? What is Python? Bahubali is saying, I'm coming for learning just. Oh yes, that's why I'm here to tell you about the Python. So what is Python? Anyone? Snake name, yes, it's snake name, but I'm talking about the okay. Every in programming language there is a lot of thing like zoo, zookeeper. There's language, okay, Catalina home. So what is Python? Python is snake name, but it's a programming language. Okay, yeah, it's a high level language. Yes, it's a high level language, and many purpose like ML. Yes, it's general purpose language. You can say general purpose language. When we say general purpose, it means we can use this language for multi-purpose. We can use for AI. We can use for AML. We can use it to solve our mathematical problem. We can do the calculation on the database. So we can do ample quantity of things by using this language. So this is general purpose language. It's not like R language. It's not like something special for one thing like HTML. They are only dedicated for one cause. R language, HTML language, but this is Python, multi-purpose general purpose language, and high level language. Okay. So question, what is the question? Question is, who created the Python? Who created the Python language? So this is a handsome man. Okay, Guido van Rossum created this one. Right now he is in Microsoft. Okay, this person created this magnificent programming language. Okay, yeah, Kevin is saying, yeah, it's object-oriented language. Yeah, it has option to use the object-oriented facility. Okay, Python is interpret language. Yes. Vishnu is saying Python is a popular programming language. It was created. Yes, you are right. Dynamic programming language. Yes, you know it's a dynamic programming language as well as it's a strongly typed language. Okay. Okay. So question is, uh, where is Python language used? Better to ask where not use. Okay. Where is Python language used? Yes, anyone? I have listed out some fields like data science, machine learning, web application development. In data science, we have lot of pre-built libraries. Okay, pre-built libraries. For machine learning, pre-built libraries. Libraries means module packages. Okay, library means module. So there are a lot of modules already there, pre-built. You can use them free. Okay, and you can create your own machine learning programs, your machine learning softwares, your machine learning code tools, whatever. Web application development, yes, it has Flask, it has uh, Django framework by which you can create the web applications. Networking programming, networking monitoring, network programming, you can create your own protocol. You can create the softwares to monitor the networks. Design game, yes, absolutely. Automation, yes. People are saying right thing. Data analyst, AI, game development, automation, very good. In design game, medical fields, yeah, for equipment design, right? Everywhere we need to communicate with the computers because there are a lot of libraries inside it. Inside it, as well as you will get from the uh, you will get the third party libraries from its official, not official website. There is a website called paypy.org. Now I am telling you where paypy.org. So this is a website from which you can get the third party softwares. Okay, third party software. And let's search mlist. So if you want to install any software like mlist, so you can just write here, you can go here, copy paste in your command prompt, provided you have installed the Python already, and pip install mlist. Okay, so as I have already installed, so you can see I have already installed it. So that's why it is saying that successfully installed. Okay, previous version I have installed, so it's successfully installed package mlist. So in this way you can install the uh, third party software, and you know very well, so this is created by me. So mlist is created by me. Okay, so this is a package, this is like advanced Python list I have created. So okay, so you can use this one also. So you can ask anything like astrology. Consider you want to create some software based upon astrology, and there are already some packages available, so no need to start from the scratch. You can start from here, you can take the code from here, and you can develop based upon this one already present. So better to use the already one and try to understand and create your own. Okay, so I hope you get the sense of Python. So you can see there are so many packages. Some are fake, means sometimes people create just for fun, but some are real. Okay, so you can see these projects have already been created here. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense. Okay, and around every means whatever the new and in the market there are a lot of third party softwares, means you can create the images from your prompt. Okay, you can use chat gpt also with the help of Python programming. No need to go to the website of ChatGPT. You can just write a code. So I have created my code. I'm just telling you what is the facility in the Python, like ChatGPT. I have already created it. I can ask. You can ask any question here. Who created the Python? Python programming. Okay, just ask the question, and it will represent. Python was created by. It will give you the detail. It will present you the detail. Python was created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, and history who created Python and a history of Python. It will let us know with some detail. Yeah, Python was created by the Guido van Rossum, 1991. Van Rossum was a Dutch programmer who worked at the Centrum. This is means here that person was working. Okay, so this is a little bit history. Okay, means this code is written in Python. So means you can see there are a lot of help in this Python, and a lot of things are already built in, and new technology they are building the help or a toolkit, or you can say software development kit for Python. Means you know the Python, you can use it, you can use them free. Means you can understand there are a lot of uh, new thing in the market. Okay, and in order to use new thing, you know must know the language. So most popular language is Python. So they created the software their kit for Python first, and then for React and other languages. Okay, if you learn the Python, you can use this thing very easily. Okay, so I hope you get this sense. There are a lot of things uh, in the market. They support the Python first. Okay, if you know the Python little bit, good means basic at least basic level, then you can use them free. Okay, and you can create your own application and you can sell it. It is popular because it's user friendly. Yes, it's user friendly. It doesn't contain big syntaxes like Java. In Java there are so very big ek kaam ke liye, means for small thing you have to write very large Java code. Okay, and let's see, let's ask why it is user friendly. Just uh, tell me the code to write to write the to write the hello world hello world in Java. Let's ask. So this is a code to just print the hello world in Java. Okay, and let's ask same thing in Python. Just one line. So that's why it's a user friendly. Okay, getting sense? Akhil is saying in Python there is no class and method. No, dear, it has methods, it has classes, but it's your choice. If you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, if you don't want to use, that's okay, no issue. You can go with the functions. Okay, it's just like we are communicated with human. That's too much expectation. Okay, but yeah, it's like a straight for programming, like a thought. Okay, like I'm thinking I can create, but you must have some experience. Itna bhi easy, it's so much, it's not so much easy. You must have some experience with Python. Okay, but yes, if something like multiprocessing, multi-programming, yes, you can easily create the programs in a multi-programming. But because if you create the program of multiprocessing, multi threading in C, Java, it will take a lot of efforts. But in Python, you can easily create that. You can easily create that code to use multi-programming and multiprocessing. I hope you getting this sense. Yes. Any doubt, anyone? Is Python is pure object-oriented programming? In Python, everything is a object. Integer, float, everything is object. Okay, every data type is an object. But in order to write the code, in no need to use class. You can simply write a simple code. Let me write simple code. Consider I want to write hello world. So no need to print, no need to create class, no need to create function. Just write hello world. Okay. First of all, I'm telling you how to write these simple programs. Maybe uh, you would have seen Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual VS Code, or and um, Visual Studio Code and PyCharm. Okay, you have to set up it. It will take a lot of effort. You have to set up. You have to spend 1 hour to set up the Visual Studio Code. But a screen is not visible. Screen is visible, dear. I can see myself on the second screen. Yes, everyone. Can you tell me screen is visible or not? Screen is visible, dear. Okay, so I'm taking any I'm taking the Sublime version. You can take any simple editor. Kuch nahi karna. It's very simple editor. Just write it. There's no fancy button to run the code. Very simple. If you don't know how to set a VS code, don't know how to set PyCharm, your friend is coding, consider your friend is coding in VS code and PyCharm, and you are getting some difficulty. So don't worry, no need to do that fancy setup. Just take any editor of your choice. You can use Notepad plus plus, you can use Atom, you can use Sublime version, you can take any editor of your choice. Just write the code and save it as that program in any folder of your convenience. Like I'm storing it G drive, my experience, and let's up 2023, any name .py at the end. I think you can do this thing. Okay, can I use REPL? You can use any editor, dear, but it's good idea if you are learning, start with your own computer. It will not take your so much processing power. Okay, screen is visible but not clear. I don't, let me check the clarity here. It's setting and 480. Just increase the, I can see myself, miss, just increase the clarity. Maybe you are using 480 pixels. Okay, so increase 720 or 1080, okay, pixels, so you will get the more clarity. Okay, so file name can be anything, but .py is an extension. Okay, so .py, so you can write here like file.py. Okay, file, you can take any name. I have already saved it, so I'm not right saving it again. So you can use any file name and .py. Okay, or simply use Google Collab. Dear, you can use anything, but when you can use anything, you can use Google Collab. Okay, I'm giving you one example. Let me run it first. So G drive and my experience, and second is let's up Python. Here I'm getting the results. You can say hello world. I'm getting the result. Okay. So in this way, you can run the code. You can see I didn't use any extension, Python extension. I didn't use any fancy editor. I use just Sublime version. You can use a Notepad plus plus. You can use Sublime version, and with the help of command prompt, you can run it. I will tell you how to install it. Ab, okay. Now I'm going to give the answers why I didn't use the Google Collab, why I didn't use the REPL, because I want to do all the calculation in my computers. I have created so many softwares for myself. Not software, it's a utility. Okay, like Finder command. I created it. It can search any file in your computer just within the fraction of seconds. How? Let me show you. Consider I want to search the file which contains CEH dot something. It's a regular expression but ends with the PDF. So I'm telling you the utility that I created for myself. Okay, Finder program, that's a Python program. It's a CH, means find a file which contains CEH but must be ends with the PDF. So once I enter the, once I press the enter, you can see there are so many files here, right? You can see this utility I have created for myself. Okay, you can also use it. So you can see within a fraction of a second, I can search any file. So consider I need this one. I need this one, just press F. What is the number of this one? 157. So once I press 157, it will open the file. You can see this program can search a fraction of second, any file fraction of second, and can open it within minute, within second. Okay. So with this program, you can search any file in your computer system. Can you run this program on the REPL or Google Colab? Because you want to do the calculation for your computer, not for the other servers. Yes, tell me, getting the sense or not? If you just want to find, if you want just to want to search the folder, you can search the folder. So these are the program you can create yourself. Once you get the experience, you can go for the companies, and companies are now offering very good packages for the Python programmers. Okay, Python is the first thing. There are other thing also they are needing, SQL. You must know the SQL, and you must know the uh, databases. You must know the some other things. But Python is a hero things, means 50% Python and 50% rest of the other things. Okay. So question, is it slower than the other language? Yes. Answer is yes. So I'm not denying the fact that Python is slower than the other languages. Okay, but it doesn't mean that Python is not useful. Just let me compare with some reality check. See, consider you want to do a calculation like matrix multiplication, very big matrix, and you want to calculate it. Okay, you want to perform some matrix multiplication calculation. Consider if you use C language and you write the program. C language may take 1 second. Consider C language is taking 1 second, and unoptimized code is taking 2 seconds or 1.5 second. Unoptimized code. And same thing in Python. If you use Python list, it may take 37 seconds. So you can see it's very slower than the C language. But what is the beauty here? What's the beauty? There are some modules like NumPy. NumPy. NumPy can be used in very easily used in Python, but they are written in C language. Written in C, used in Python, it means that you can use in Python at the speed of C language. If you do same thing, matrix multiplication with the help of NumPy, you will get the near around same performance. So isn't it good thing? You are using Python, but the NumPy package written in the C language, you will get the exact performance of C language. I'm not saying exact, it's near about the exact. So machine learning modules mostly written in the C languages. So you can use it in Python. So you will get the speed of C language. Okay. So now it's time for installation. So how to install Python? So you know how to run the Python. Now it's time how to. Okay, camera thoda sa ऐसे. Now question. Now how to install the Python? Do you want to know how to install the Python? So if you want to install the Python, you have two options. So first, simple Python. Just write Python download. Okay. So this is Python download. Go to the official. So okay, let me remove this one. This is official website of Python. Okay. And from here you can just download the latest version for the Windows. If you are using Windows, if you're using Linux, you can in the Linux Ubuntu. If you are using Ubuntu 20, Ubuntu 20 means this is for the Windows. Okay, so these are the for the Windows. You can see some bug fix. You can use older version. That's okay. Okay, you can use older version. If you use Linux, if you are using Linux or Mac, Linux, Ubuntu 20, Ubuntu 20 comes with pre-built Python 3.8. So you have good option. You can use Python 3.8 without any difficulty. In newer version, there are some bugs. Okay, so I'm not saying please don't use this one. You can use, but you may get some bugs. So better to use previous version 3.8 or 3.9. Okay, so I hope it's a great then, but things we should know about the correct libraries where to use. Then you try it. Correct libraries which are famous here, like TensorFlow. If you want to work in the fields of machine learning, scikit-learn, SciPy, NumPy, uh, Matplotlib for the data visualization. Okay, and PyTorch. Okay, Kera. So these are the libraries, famous libraries you can use in the fields of machine learning. Okay, if you want to do some calculation on the images, you can use OpenCV. Okay, and there's some other third-party modules there which you can use, but mostly people are using OpenCV. Okay, just to pick the images. Python is a compiled. No, Python is not compiled language, but Python is an interpreted language. It works with line by line. Okay, it's an interpreter, dear Henry. It's an interpreter. It's interpreted language, so line by line. So this is software you can use for Python. But if you want to work in the field of machine learning, you can use this one. But you have better option. That is the you have better option. What is that? Python Anaconda. Python Anaconda is a better option. Instead of using just raw Python, you can go for Anaconda version. Okay, Anaconda version. Just go down and checks that. For Windows, you have this one, Python 3.10, latest version. In Mac OS, you can use this one. In the Linux, you can use this one. Okay, so this is Anaconda version, right? Anaconda version. What's the meaning of Anaconda? देखिए, in Anaconda, consider this is a Python. This is a Python language. Okay, and this is the Anaconda. Okay, not this one. So this Anaconda. What is Anaconda? This is Python. This is Anaconda. Same thing, but with lot of third-party libraries. It means that it has Python, same Python inside it, Python 3.10, but it contains lot of third-party libraries. Lot of third-party libraries which helps you to create the application in the area of machine learning and AI. Okay, so you can see the size. Normal Python is just 35 MB. Normal Python, but it has 786. Oh, wow, very great number. 786 MB. And this one means, what is the meaning of this one? Means 786. Normal Python is the 35 MB MB uh, size of 35 MB, but it is taking Anaconda is taking 786. It means that it contains a lot of third party libraries. Once you install the Anaconda, you will get it for free. So no need to install it separately. If you install separately, that will take 2 days, 3 days, 1 day, or some hours. But you can save your time just installing Anaconda, and you will get a lot of libraries pre-built. Means you can save your time. Anaconda is a bigger snake. You can imagine like that. Okay. Yes, getting sense or not? Are you getting things? Please tell me in the chat box. Yes, you are getting. Yes, yes, yes. Sanmukh is saying yes. Okay, so now you're getting a sense about the Python, how to write the code, how to run the code, how to install. Means installation, just click on this one, you will get the Anaconda version. Ab karna kaise hai? Consider I have this one in my, let me open it. Downloads, programs. Let me check, do I have Anaconda in my computer system? No, I don't have Anaconda. Let me check with my Finder software. Must it Anaconda? Something like Anaconda must be and with exe file. Okay, now it is saying that you have a lot of Anaconda files. You can see different versions. Okay, so this Finder program is very helpful. I don't know where the Anaconda, but it's saying that in the software you have Anaconda this one, you have Anaconda this one, you have Anaconda this one, and I can install it from here also. Right, I can install it, and if I want to know timing, which is the newer one, which is the new, I can see these are both are same. Okay, so I think I should install this one. So just go to this folder. So I'm opening this folder. I can install from here. I just have. So, but let's see. Open this folder, 12 folder. Okay, so okay, so after clicking this link, एक बार आपने क्लिक किया, once you click on this one, you will get the software. Software is very lengthy, that's why I'm not installing it. So after installation, you will see the download folder and you will see this one. So ये है हमारा, and this is our Anaconda. Once you click on this one, you will see, get this message, welcome to Anaconda something something. Okay, please see this step carefully. Please see this step carefully. Next. Next. For all user, that's okay. Next. Now please stop here. Please stop here. Check the folders. Okay, folder. It is saying that it's not empty, it's already there. So I'm giving another directory. Okay, next. Now here, please don't press install button. Just click this one. It didn't say, it is showing some warning, but it is not a warning. Okay, it means register Anaconda as system path. Okay, click on this one. Okay, done. And then install it. Then install it. So you will get the Anaconda here. So once you install it, what to do? Once you install it, what to do? Just type Python over here. After installation, you can see I'm getting the prompt here, Python default Anaconda environment. So it means that Python is installed successfully. Okay, right? Here you can write one line code like print hello. And if you want to perform some calculation, 10 plus 60 plus 50 multiply by 45, this is the result. Okay, so this is a Python shell. You can run single line code, 2-line code here. Okay, but for big code, you can use you can use any editor of your choice. You can use Atom, you can use Visual Studio Code, you can use Notepad++, you can use any editor for your choice. Okay, don't say can I use this one. If you know, if you it has facility to read to write anything, you can use it. Okay, now it comes to a Jupyter. Jupyter, what is the meaning of Jupyter? When you install Anaconda, you will get the Jupyter for free. So Jupyter is a notebook which runs on the web browser. Okay, so what is the benefit of using Jupyter and what is the disadvantage of using Jupyter? In the Jupyter, you can get the output after each line. How? So this is Jupyter notebook. You can rename it like you can write right now here. You can name it day 1. Okay. Done. अच्छा ये पहले से day 1, date 28 March 23. Okay. Done. Now you can write. Okay, let me increase the screen size. Print. This code called as cell. So here just try to print hello world. So this is our ritual. Now how to run it? देखिए run का button यहाँ पे. You can see the run button here. You can see run button here, or you can use two things here, shift and enter. So once you press shift and enter, you can see code is running. Okay, consider you want to write multiple lines like print hello, print. So consider I want to print today's time. I will tell you how to use it. Just I am importing a time module. Today's time is okay. So in this way you can run the code. Okay, don't think why I'm using time. Just I'm using the printing statement. Okay, So today time is Tuesday, March 28. Okay. Yes. Any doubt, anyone? We use Jupyter. Shift plus enter, right? Yes, anyone? Any doubt? So let's discuss the basic syntaxes. Basic syntax. The same thing you can achieve in the here. Okay, just write everything over here and run it one time. One go. Hello world again. Okay, save it and run it. Not this one. Hmm. I'm getting hello world again. Okay, if you don't know how to use the command prompt, अगर आपको नहीं पता, if you don't know how to use the command prompt होता है नहीं पता होता, if you want to know how to use the command prompt, you will get this C user Mohit or whatever the username you are using. So go to that folder. If you want to change the drive, press drive name with colon G drive. If you want to change the G drive. Now go to the folder C drive. That folder is my experience. Folder is Python. Let's. Okay. Then right now I'm in the same folder. So Python. Okay, in this way we can do that. Okay, so I hope you're getting the sense how to run it, because in the companies, if they are using Windows, you have to run the code like this. If they are using Linux, you have to run the code from the terminal with the same approach. Okay, so I hope you are getting the sense. Yes, anyone, any doubt? Please tell me. Yes, anyone, any doubt? Yes. Okay, so in this way you can install it. Installation done. How to uh, use the editor, how to use the Jupyter notebook. Let me summarize it first so that you get the clear picture. So we have seen the how to install Python. Okay, we have two versions, Anaconda and normal Python. So I advise you use the Anaconda version. Okay, you will get the uh, machine learning and AI library for free. Next, editors. There is no option. There is no specialty in any. Means I'm not saying you use this editor, use the editor. No, you can use any editor of your choice. It must have the functionality to recognize the code. अब देखिए, recognize the code. What is the meaning of recognize the code? You can see the color. Color of print is different and string is different. So that means it is recognizing the syntaxes of Python. Okay. So I hope you get the sense. Next, editors, installation, and uses of Python. Okay, so we have covered this thing. So if you have any doubt in this one, please let me know. Python is easy language, but you have to practice it. It easy doesn't mean you will learn it without doing practice. Okay, even car driving is also easy sometime, but you have to practice it. Even bike driving is also easy, but you have to practice it. Okay, so without practice you can do nothing. Okay. Okay, so I hope you know you get the knowledge about the Jupyter and editors. Okay. So sometimes people think until we install the VS Code, we cannot use Python, until we install the until or unless we use the install the PyCharm, we cannot use Python. No, you can use Python. There is no relation of Python with VS Code. There is no relation of Python with PyCharm. They are just the editors. They are just the editors. Okay, they are just the editors. Python is different, editor is different. There's no relation in any of them. In editors, in VS Code, you can also write the program for C language. You can write the program for Java. Same. You can write the program for Python. Okay. So if you are getting any difficulty while installing them, you can use simple editor and just write and just run it from the command prompt. Sir, is AI really going to replace us? No, dear. It will replace some jobs. Okay, but not completely human. Okay, it will replace some jobs, definitely. Okay, but not all the humans. Okay, so you can see I'm using Chat GPT here. Okay, okay. So, but don't rely on this type of software. Use your own knowledge to write the codes. Okay. How to fill the attendance? Let's Upgrade team will know. You can see the link over on the top chat. Registration attendance. I think that's a useful link. Krishna is saying I didn't understand anything. I think you have joined late. That's why. So now let's see how to write the simple syntax in Python. How to write the simple syntaxes in Python. So I'm opening the this one. Okay, what is the meaning of variable? So now I consider if I say a equal to 10. What is the meaning of variable? In the C language, Java, if you have done some experiment, you write like this: int a, then a equal to 10. But in the Python, we are directly using a equal to 10. So what is the meaning of that? What is this? What is this? Uh, this one. Variable are used to store the value. Definitely, variable are like a symbolic address. Just understand what is the meaning of variable. Consider there is a whenever you write something like 10, 10 is data. Okay, 10 is data, and you want to store it. In order to store, we have RAM in the in the computer system, and everything is stored in the RAM and hard disk. So consider this runtime. So Python is storing everything in the RAM. Consider this a RAM structure. This is just a pictorial diagram. Okay, so consider 10 is stored here. 10 is stored here, and a is a variable. So a start pointing to the location cell. A is a pointer. A is like a pointer. A is a variable that point to the location that contains the 10. So Vishwa is saying that variable like a container. Idea, variable is, you can think variable like a container, but variable is a pointer which points to the location which stores the 10. And if you want to know at which location it has stored the 10, so you can use id function. It means that a pointing to this location. So I'm just writing last 39360. So a is pointing to this memory location which contains the 10. In the lazy saying, lazy बहुत ही lazy saying में हम कहते हैं, in the lazy saying we say that a equals to 10, right? A equals to 10. It's a lazy saying, lazy, जल्दी में. But in the reality, a is pointing to the location which contains the 10. So a is pointing to that location which contains the 10. So I hope you're getting the sense. Yes. Anyone, any difficulty? So print. So consider I want to print two things in print statement. Amount is, so amount is a like a string. Amount is a string, and then comma a. So now in this way you can print the string as well as variable. So this is the string and this is a variable. Okay. So consider you want to print multiple things. B equal to 20.78. So I'm saying that amount is A and is B. I can say I'm getting, okay, इसको remove करते हैं. Now I can say I have printed 4 things. Amount is first thing. This one is the first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third, fourth. So in this way, you can print multiple things. Okay, clear? Okay. Now one question. One question is in the C language, C language, we write like this int a. But in the Python, I'm just writing in the Python, I'm just writing a equal to 10. In the C language, int a, then a equal to 10. So what is the difference between both? What is this phenomena, or you can say what is the top miss? What is this called? So this is called as the uh, static type. This is called as the dynamic type. Dynamic type. Okay, a is 10, and in the C language, a equal to 10. Means static type means before giving the value 10 to a in the C language, you are saying a is integer. Means before assigning the value, you are saying a is going to be a integer. Means value of a means the type of a is decided at the compile time in the C language. But in Python, when you say a equal to 10, Python don't know what is going to be what would be the uh, data type of a. At the runtime, it decides that a is looking like means 10 is looking like an integer, so a is integer. So you want to check the type, just type type of a integer. Okay, just print it. Printing is necessary. Class integer. So in this way, you can get the type. So this is a dynamically typed language. Dynamically typed language means the type of the variable is decided at the runtime. So that means a is going to be 10. So sorry, a is going to be integer. Will be decided at, or is decided at runtime. So I hope you get a sense. So one more thing, that is the Python is strongly typed language. What is the meaning of strongly typed language? Anybody? Yes, anyone can tell me what is the meaning of strongly typed language? Yes, anyone can tell me what is the meaning of strongly typed language? Yes, anyone? Anyone? What is the meaning of strongly typed language? It means that consider a equal to 10, b equal to b equal to, I say, h, just a character. Okay, if you say a plus b, what would be the output? A equal 10, b equal to h. Let's say b equal to h. B equal to h, print b. And a equal to 10. A plus b. What would be the answer? Yeah. What would be the answer? Answer is error. In the Python, this is error. This is not possible. You cannot add, you cannot add, you cannot apply add for two different types. One is integer type, one is string type. You cannot apply addition operation on it. But if you use same thing in the Java or C, you will get some result. You will get some result. What happened in the C language? C language में क्या करेगा? C language consider a equal to 10 and b equal to h. ये आपने कर दिया. And if you use a plus b, definitely C language will give you some result. But a b converted to the sky value of h, a sky value of h, what consider, I don't know exactly a sky value of h. What's a sky value of h? If you want to know by the use of Python, just use the ord of h 72. So C language, in the C language you will get the answer 72 plus 10 a2. So C language, or I think C++, C language is not the strongly typed language. It changes the type for the calculation. Means implicit internally it is changing the type. But B तो string type का था, character type का था, but for calculation purpose it is changing the type of B in the C language. But with Python it doesn't allow it. Python में allow ही नहीं है. Python doesn't allow it. So that's why Python is saying we cannot change the type of any variable just for your calculation purpose. No, our rules, our rules. Okay. Okay. So I hope you get the sense of strongly typed language. Yes. Getting sense or not? Whenever interviewer asks the question, कि भाई ये, whenever interviewer asks the question, a plus b simple कह देने का, मना कर देने का, error. You can simply say no, it's error. Don't think twice, just say error. If they add, yes, you can add like this. You can add 10 plus 20.46. So these are okay because both are the numerics. And a plus a, these are also okay. It's a because both are the same type. These are the numeric, but you cannot add 10 plus a. Error. You cannot add 10 plus 10 but in the string form. Error. This is also error. 10 plus 10. Error. Getting sense or not? Yes, tell me. Getting sense or not? This is also error. Okay. Now formatted output. What's the meaning of formatted output? Consider name equal to, let's take a name from the here. I'm taking name is Naveen. Easy to type, na? Naveen Kumar. Okay, I'm just using Naveen. Naveen. Okay, name Naveen. Marks. I'm saying 90%. 18. Age. Let's say age 21. Okay. So these are the data: name, marks, age. I want to print in one line. Okay. The name of the person is name. Yes, any. It's like Naveen is 21 years old. So first is Naveen name, is age years old, and go to the Naveen is 21 years old and got the marks. यहाँ पे marks लिख देते हैं. Okay, right? 90% marks. Yeah, you are famous. You became famous, right? Okay. Now, so this may create so many errors because you can see there are so many commas. So you can write like this with the help of placeholders. Placeholder means Navi right inside it. F F string, formatted string. Okay, formatted string. Variable in the curly braces. Naveen is age years old and got the marks. Same thing I can achieve with the help of F string. In the F string, no need to take care about this kind of comma. Just write one line, F here, just write one line, and whatever the variable, write in the curly braces. Getting sense or not? Yes, any doubt, anyone? You can also do same thing with the help of placeholders. Placeholder कैसे? Int name is, so name just one string. First is string s is age. Age means integer value. Age means integer value. Years old and got the F marks. SD. So you can see this is string. Okay, I'm just writing. S for string, D for integer, F for float. So these are the placeholders. Now I'm putting the value of each placeholder. So same order, percentage S string, name is string, percentage D is integer. Integer means your marks, or so your age, and F means float. Float means here marks. So I'm getting same thing here. You can see Naveen is 21 years old and got the marks. Here I can give 0.2. It means that 2 degree of precision, round of value up to 2 degree. Okay, so I hope you are getting the sense of today's lecture and I hope you have learned something significant today. Okay,
Hi,
Sandesh.
sir. Hi.
Hello.
I was there for last 5 or you can say 3 minutes trying to learn Python, but I think it's quite easy, no?
Hello, Sandesh.
Uh,
I can hear you. I can hear you. I can see
yeah,
on both the
I was
screens,
actually confused.
live and YouTube.
I was actually watching you, so I was trying to learn Python. Hi guys, hi everyone. If you don't know me, I am Sandesh from LetsUpgrade. I was supposed to be here at the start when we say start at 7:30, but I was late, stuck in the traffic of Mumbai. So I'm late and I'm here after the session to explain you all the things about like attendance, assignment, and all that stuff. And I was just listening to Mohit sir and trying to learn Python. And how are you guys? How are you like? How's the session? How much you have learned till now? I think we are on to the like final points, or you can say final minutes of this session. I hope my voice is clear and my camera is also clear. So,
Yes, clear,
how are
clear,
you, Mohit
clear,
sir?
clear.
Clear, एकदम clear. So, hi Mohit sir. Sorry, I'm late थोड़ा सा because as I said ना मैं थोड़ा traffic में I was stuck. So again, I will explain you about the like attendance and assignment all about, and then we can end this session. I hope everyone will join on like tomorrow's session. I'm seeing like only 110 students want to learn Python. Why? Can you guys like invite your friends and tell them that like this is the amazing session going on our YouTube channel? You can say on Let's Upgrade. and tell them you can join in. I think today we have learned basic stuff of Python, so they can join in from tomorrow and continue, right? Hi, much if you're like bored or you have to go, you can go. I'll be connecting. Just give me a second. I'll be connecting with all these guys and explain them how they can get a certificate at the end of this session. So if you want to leave, you can leave, or you can be here and see what I'm doing for next like 3 or 4 minutes. Mm, okay, just give me a second. I need to share my screen. Oh. Hello. Okay. So as you know, you're watching this on YouTube, so you have the description in YouTube, right? Yes. Yeah. Right. You make sure to invite a lot of students here. We want at least 200, like, right? Because Python is very easy and they can learn Python from day two. I am sure about that. I hope you have learned a lot of things till now. Like 1 hour is not that much to learn Python, but I think some valuable stuff about introduction and all the, you can say, fundamentals of Python I have recommended my friends, and I'll check once if not. Yes, thank you, Naveen. And if you know, you can refer your friends from our referral link. So if they join, you'll get some LU coins, and you can redeem that LU coin to have a discount on your full stack program. If you don't know that, please make sure to refer your friends, or you can say invite them through the referral link, right? I'll just quickly explain you what we are going to do, like what you need to do to get that certificate at the end of day 5. Here you can see a description right here. You just have to click here, go on this link. You'll get a pop-up. I think I'm not okay. I'm signed in. Just give me a second. If you're like seeing any tab like that and you are already signed in our website, so you just have to press Control R. If you know what is Control R, then it just reload. If you reload that tab, you'll see this tab, which we call is one page, or you can say one link. Very so about here what you have on day 3, day 4, and day 5. We don't have any assignments on day 1 and day 2, as we are learning complete basic topic of you can say Python, right? So after day 3, you'll get assignments. On day 5, we'll build a project, maybe of Finder, what Mohit sir built, right? So maybe you will see that what we are going to build on day 5. And one more thing which is here, you can join our communities, where we have a Telegram community and 3 WhatsApp communities, where you can join and get all the updates about what are the programs going on Let's Upgrade, what are the upcoming programs. So if you want to learn any other language, you can learn there, and you can actually network with lot of you can say developers. Networking is very important, if you know, in a tech industry, to have that high paying job. So you can be here, right? So we have actually made a video on that. If you want to know more about networking, you can go on our YouTube channel. You'll see a video. You can get some glimpse about how you can network in tech. We are going to launch a lot of video form content that you guys are requesting us from past 2-3 months, so we'll be launching some great you can say tips and tutorials and on how you can get that 10 LP wala job, which we all dream of, right? So back to the topic. I am just distracted a lot. You can mark your attendance, but how to mark that, right? On day 1, you can see here a mark attendance button. You just have to click here, rate this session. If you are loving this session, just go and rate this session at 10. This question is actually how likely you will recommend this session, but I am reframing that as how much you like this session. If you're liking this session, just go and mark 10. If you want to be a full stack data science, if you want to be a full stack web developer, just click on yes. And if you have any feedbacks for us, you can give us a feedback. We are taking a lot of feedbacks and trying to improve this essential program, right? So we'll click on other, submit my assignment, attendance, and again press Control R. Now you can see a progress, right? What is this progress now? Here I have 20%. It should be on 14, but I think we haven't added that assignment wala tab. So you can see a 20% progress. It will be logically of 14%. After this, now back to the same question: what is this progress bar? So this is to track your progress, what you're doing in this essentials bootcamp, so you can get a certificate after day 5. The minimal eligibility, sorry, my tongue is getting very heavy because just leave that. But the minimum eligibility criteria you can see is 50% of progress, not 70 80, just 50. Mark your daily attendance, submit the assignments, and you're good to go. Have that certificate from GDG MAD, Google Developer Groups Mumbai, NSDC, which is National Development Corporation India. Sorry, I was just remembering that what is NSDC, right? And ITM group of institutes, right? So this certificate you can add it in your LinkedIn, your portfolio, and you can tell the recruiters, yes, boss, I know fundamentals of Python. If you want to recruit a Python developer, here I am. You can recruit me. Or if you want to say like, hey, you want an internship, I know Python, basics of Python, you can teach me and I'll be a good intern, right? So to get that certificate, to add value in your portfolio, you need to mark your attendance and submit your assignments. So I have taken 10 more minutes of yours, so I think I'm clear what to do in mobile because we are already signed up. He engineer, wow. I can't longer session tomorrow because learning from Moisar. Yeah, I know. So Shamal Rao, you can enroll in our full stack program. So Moisar will be taking all the data science and Python classes there. If you're interested in becoming a data scientist, you can go and enroll in our full stack program. Anything about our full stack program, Moisar, because you are teaching a lot of students there. Hi Mohit sir.
Hello.
अरे आप खो गए क्या? I was asking you कि if you want to tell anything about our data science program to our students who are watching right now, 90. I think we have a lot of students, so you can, if you have any suggestions who they want to, if they want to become
Yes,
a
yes,
data
yes,
scientist.
definitely. Yes, please check the syllabus, the curriculum of data science in their website, Let's Upgrade website. You will get very beautiful course. They cover everything related to data science. Definitely, the best course. I
Should
searched
I
a lot
submit?
of course of other companies, but this is the best one. I found that from very
And
data structure to data science.
right, and I'll just tell you guys, you can get 7,000 rupees of discount. Already we have only the price, which is for 6 months. If you calculate your Swiggy bills, it will be lesser than that, which is 36,600. And after the discount, you'll get it to I think like 29,600, right? So for 30,000, you'll be able to become a data scientist or web developer, which will be able to like be, you can be eligible for getting that 10 LPA 6 LPA wala job in just 30,000. How can I? Okay, I'm also using mobile. You can go on the same link from your mobile and you can mark your attendance. You just have to sign in from your Google account or your like email ID and password. So you'll be able to mark your certificates, submit your assignments on mobile. Now, for the assignment part, you can use Collab. It will be available on mobile Chrome to do that assignment. If you don't know what is GitHub and how GitHub works, so I'll share some links here in the chat, or I'll pin a link where you can go and see how GitHub works, because GitHub is most important if you want to be a developer and be in this tech community. But are there any more jobs for data scientists in India? Ani Hero, I'll tell you, the data scientist jobs are booming a lot if you compare to the web developer, because a lot of companies are moving to a data-based decision, right? So previously, what
Yeah.
we had is ki a data scientist is not that important in a company, but nowadays what we see, every small or big company, a startup for या फिर a big giant, they want to take every small decision of their platform or their product based on data. Now, if
Right,
they
right,
want to
right.
analyze that data, right, so they need a data scientist. There is no argument in that ki data scientist ko job nahi mili or their jobs in market are decreasing. It is actually rapidly increasing if you compare it with any other tech or non-tech job. Right, so I hope I was right, Mohit sir.
Right, you're right. Absolutely.
So we'll end this session. If you have any queries right now, because we are running late, super late, we are 14 minutes late on this session for you guys only. So we can end this and you'll be able to join our day 2 session where we will learn about data types, variables, and or maybe we'll start with control statements. Just give me a quick confirmation. The interview this ask what is as the data scientist was about. No, you can say any what we have 15 projects. When we say there are a lot of projects where we analyze the data AIML to track, or you can say we have a good project. What we call is Spotify recommendation system. So we'll be building clone
Right.
of Spotify recommendation system. So that project is that one project can impact that recruiter that. It will have a massive impact, so that one project can make that impact. So just imagine how much impact will create with 15 projects, and these are not like code basic level projects. These are good you can say industry level code projects.
Yes.
I hope I'm clear. Ani, just give me a confirmation, guys. 60 people watching. Just give me a confirmation so I can end this session. Can we have machine learning program? Yeah, Shamrao, maybe we'll have an ML program. We'll create a poll in our communities. Join that community. We created a poll asking you guys which programming language or which framework you want to learn next on our platform. Because, as I said, we are a community, not you can say company. We are more like a community where we take a lot of feedbacks and we provide what you guys want. So we'll again create a poll asking you guys if you want to like learn machine learning. Confirmation.
About
What
what?
kind of confirmation? I'm not getting that. So I think, Mohit sir, we can end that.
Yes, yes.
Uh, we are stretching it a lot because we are promised के 1 घंटे में we'll sort it out. Essentially is for 1 घंटा. Now we are on 1 hour 16 minutes. I don't want to stretch it out more. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. We'll see you tomorrow. If you want this TED talk tomorrow too, then have like chat में बता देना. I'll be here solving your like all the problems, right? Sir, some tips on first. Yeah, Shalu, as I'm sorry, I will take these questions tomorrow. I think Moisa can answer this better. Bye bye, guys. We are running super late. I will have this TED talk, or you can say Q&A session tomorrow at the start
Mhm.
of the session. Bye
Yes,
bye,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
If you have liked this Essentials program, which is giving you a confidence that you can become a developer, this is just a